Imagine this, power's out, no warning, no heads up, just click, everything goes dark. No lights, no Wi-Fi, and the fridge, which is the most important one, that's the one that's gonna hurt the most. You've got leftovers from last night dinner, fresh veggies, eggs, meats. We ain't trying to lose all that. That's why I brought this out, Jackery HomePower 3000. 3,600 watts of output, 3,072 watt hours of capacity, and a whole lot of promise. This thing is built for moments exactly like this. Jackery calls it essential home backup, and that's exactly what it feels like. First, let's test this thing with the fridge. This is what matters most in a blackout, right? I plug it in, the fridge was pulling around 180 to 200 watts at startup. That means I could run this fridge for almost 2 full days. Then I'm not gonna have any spoiled groceries, I'm not gonna waste any money, no panic grocery runs. And honestly, that peace of mind is priceless. Next up, let's make breakfast, right? First, the toaster, about 850 watts, easy, perfect golden toast in minutes. Then the blender, I load in some smoothie ingredients, hit turbo mode, it's pulling around 1,000 watts. Still, that's no problem for the Jackery. It's still cruising with no problem. Even running both back to back, we're only using around 15 to 20% of the battery. Fridge, toaster, blender. You could make full meals all day in a blackout and still have plenty of juice left. Now let's pivot to the productivity. When the light goes out, I still gotta clock in. The HomePower 3000 has two 100 watt USB-C ports. That means my MacBook gets max wattage and my iPhone, it's tapping up to 80% in under 30 minutes. Running both my laptop and my phone, this thing could keep me working for over 2 days straight. Power cuts out in the middle of a Zoom call. Running just my laptop and phone, this thing could keep me working for 2 days straight. Alright, so I literally have my laptop plugged in, the fan plugged in, and the lights, that is my main light, I have it printed at the ceiling just to like light up the whole living room here. And let's see how much power the Jackery is pulling out. Where's power? Let's see. Right now it's pulling 197 watt of power out of this thing. And it's also saying here I have 11 and a half hours left if I were to keep using the same setup. You could have an electrician coming to set up the ups for you. That way, when the power goes out, the battery kicks in under milliseconds, all right? So if the power cuts out while you're in the middle of a Zoom call, no worries. The ups kicks in under 20 milliseconds. So fast that you don't even notice it. Remember, just make sure you get an electrician to set that up for you because it could get complicated messing with wires and electrical stuff. Now, picture this. It's nighttime, no AC, it's hot. You plug in the fan, it's only pulling around 60 watts, which means 50 hours of cooling breeze in the middle of the blackout. Well, we're still above 50% of battery here. That's the beauty of essential home backup. Here's another feature I love. You can track everything on the Jackery app. Power flow, battery, health, input, output, all right from your phone. And despite its capacity, this thing is only 62 pounds. It's the smallest 3 kilowatt hour generator in the world. You can room it like a luggage around the house. It's super easy to drag, especially on the hardwood floors. That thing is slip and slide. And if you off-grid, camping, or in a RV, you can pair it with a Jackery solar Saga panels. That's what I'm talking about. Two 200 watt panels in full sun will get you to 80% in 9 hours. You can also charge it from your car and with a gas generator if you needed to. So here's the real kicker. You don't need a full house or generator. You just need one of these. No gas, no fumes, no noise, just power right when you need it. From fridge to fans, breakfast to backup Wi-Fi, the Jackery HomePower 3000 handles real life outages like it was born for it. If you're thinking backup, think essential. Think Jackery. I'll leave the links in the description below so you can stay powered up. Go ahead and go to the description, grab your Jackery solar generator today.